I'm Corliss Bedeau, Director of the Right to Excellence Center, and I also teach English. We're here to help students with their writing from any discipline and at all levels of writing. So from English to graduate nursing, engineering, sciences, all the humanities. We help from brainstorming and even understanding the assignment itself to drafting, organizing, using resources and incorporating them appropriately. We help with the final draft also with proofreading revisions. We can also assist students with breaking down assignments, so helping them to pace themselves and even help provide an accountability system for them if they need someone to help them stay on track. The advantages of using the Writing Center include not only having better grades on your paper, understanding what you're doing and feeling more solid, because these are skills you carry into your other courses as well and into the business field. But also the advantages include learning how to break things down into manageable steps. We offer face-to-face as well as e-tutoring. The face-to-face is far more effective. That's what we strongly recommend, especially for our first-year students. But the e-tutoring is advantageous if your schedule doesn't allow you to make that time to be here in person. You can have an 8 o'clock class and still set up an 8 o'clock appointment for your paper, and you would get feedback on your paper, usually within 24 hours. The Right to Excellence Center is located in Kaufman 115, and we're also on the 3rd floor of the Fraser Memorial Library. In the future, we'll be entirely moved to the library as part of the Student Success Center. We can be reached at 337-562-4205, and you can visit our website. We love what we do, and we look forward to helping students reach success.